they said you sound like an owl.
Who said that? YouTube people?
Yeah, they say you sound like an owl. They said Dom sounds like an owl. They said that too, you know that?
They did?
They did.
Now I know what an owl sounds like.
What's it sound like?
Guess the way I talk.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means.
They were saying it though.
Huh? You guys in there?
Yeah. No, the other guys. They said you sound like that.
Who's the other guys?
Tim, come here. I bet Tim knows.
You hear about this?
They say you sound like an owl.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
They say you sound like an owl too.
What?
They said you sound like an owl.
Who? Them? The Amish people?
They said you sound like an owl.
Who, the Amish?
Yeah.
What the heck?
No, the other ones.
There's only
He said you sound like an owl too.
us? What? I'm so lost.
They say you sound like an owl.
Who? Who said that?
We got it! We got it!
Now we're having to go back through and pick up some slabs here and there. We've got an interesting grade going on where we've got this door behind me. There's a door over there. It's all in the same plane. We have to be flat here. We also have to be sloping from here down. So we've got a really interesting grade where it goes flat and goes down. Just trying to pick up a couple slabs to take some chip out. It's kind of annoying. Tim's mad. He's having to do a lot of it on his own.
I'm angry. I'm spitting angry. I'm like a tornado of anger, swirling about. My heart rate is dangerously high right now.
We also have these slabs that are inconsistent in height. I don't know what's going on. It's like an eighth inch off here and there. There's at least, I don't know, 16 slabs left to pick up and redo. So now we're just kind of spending a couple of days and doing this, refining these things. Tim, what do you say?
Sucks.
Ah!
One eternity later. We got me and Dom over here putting on our caps. They've been sitting here for a while. Now we decided to glue them. And you see how we're gluing them long ways? Let me give you a hand here, Dom. We had to build this wall just right. What if we could use one cap? It would have the right overhang on the pull, right overhang on this little vent wall here. So we're gonna pop these in today. Dom, what do you say?
It's gonna be a great day today, fellas.
Oh.
Lady fellas.
Poet and didn't even know it.
That's a lot of rhyming words we did right there.
Yeah.
Flowing. Full white Master P. All right, today is coping day on site. We've got most of our coping laid and cut in. Now we're just going around doing some fine tunings. We're gonna glue these things down, do a couple shims here and there. We had some issues during concrete day, went super fast, got kind of off in some areas. It dried really quick. So a little bit of grinding on the edges, and should get this all done and wrapped up today.
Hey folks, so in honor of Richard being from Mississippi, we're going to do this video here with the Southern Draw just for him. Now we're installing some lighting here in the kitchen. You can see we got several already installed here. Just doing the last one to touch it up. Now the funny part is, oftentimes when I'm doing these videos, he'll throw something at me, but we're going to catch him off guard today. I'm going to throw something at him. Check this. See that? That's gold right there.
You couldn't hit the. You couldn't hit water if you fell in it.
I was way off.
Put that in your pipe and smoke it. So bad. I wasn't even ready for it. You didn't even. All right, today we just unwrapped our new pellet smoker, also our called a pellet grill. Nice big area for smoking.
I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. I want my baby back, ribs.
Here's our area for our pellets. That's the hopper. That's the hopper. Got our grease tray, Wi-Fi compatible. It's literally set this and forget it. You'll be smoking something all day. A couple probe ports. You want to plug that in, poke it into your meat. There's a hole over here that the probe comes in, pops into your pork or your chicken. They're gonna love it.
I like it.
Today we are putting in our steps on this side of the house. We got a nice big open landing. It's like about 4 feet wide.
got 2 steps down. We're gonna have a sidewalk that leads over to the pool area. We got this built up, so now we're gonna put 1, 2, 3 lights, run our caps along the wall, get some limestone chips on the back, and then we'll bring in our little travertine pavers. Lays on a half on. One more thing knocked off the list. Alright, so week of details, coping's done, steps over there are done, working on the sidewalk, adjusting slabs. We're waiting on a couple subcontractors here and there, so we're trying to keep busy, getting everything finished around there. That way, once these guys done back here, we'll start laying slabs. But next week, we're going to start on the pond, spears, the water. It's going to be awesome. So stay tuned. You're going to like it. You know, Dom, they said you sound like an owl in there.
Who said that?
They said.
Who? Those guys over there? Who's over there?
Those guys say you sound like an owl.
Who are those guys?
Those guys say you sound like an owl.
I don't know who you're talking about.
Dom!
We were on the verge of greatness. We were this close.
Like who?
I was saying who, whatever you said. Oh, just saying, keep saying who?
Saying who, yeah.
Oh, okay.